Compared to home defense in 2026, size is not everything when it comes to firearms. In today's article, we are going to talk about the smallest and most deadly guns that are shaping 2026 home defense and compact firearms. The smallest and most deadly of firearms are redefining what small really means. Number 1. Taurus Judge Home Defender. The Taurus Judge Home Defender is a special kind of revolver that has been designed with home defense in mind, combining versatility and controllability in a compact package. Firing both .45 Colt and .410 bore rounds, up to 3 inches long, it provides a versatile means of home defense. Its 13-inch barrel and 3.66-pound weight make it easier to control and more accurate than smaller Judge models. Featuring a 5-shot capacity and a double-action/single-action trigger system, it provides a good combination of simplicity and reliability. The transfer bar safety mechanism provides an additional measure of safety. Its versatility is what really sets it apart, with a Picatinny rail on top and an underbarrel rail that can be used to mount optics, lights, or lasers, making the Judge Home Defender a great choice for low-light indoor shooting. Number 2. Ruger LC Carine. The Ruger LC carbine is a contemporary pistol-caliber carbine designed for versatility, controllability, and defensive capabilities. Its excellent ergonomics include fully ambidextrous controls, such as a manual safety, reversible charging handle, and ambidextrous magazine release. The 16.25-inch fluted and threaded alloy steel barrel is compatible with muzzle devices and suppressors, while the secure action trigger provides a smooth pull with a clean break and positive reset. The full-length Picatinny rail and CNC milled aluminum handguard with 7-sided M LOK slots enable extensive customization of accessories. The 10mm auto cartridge is fed from Glock-style magazines, and the carbine weighs approximately 7.4 pounds. The adjustable side-folding stock and $1,079 price tag make the LC carbine a versatile home defense rifle. Number 3. Springfield Hellion. The Springfield Hellion is a short, semi-automatic bullpup rifle that fires 5.56 by 45mm NATO, with full support for .223 Remington and standard AR-15 magazines. The bullpup configuration means the action is located behind the trigger, which enables a 16-inch barrel and retains a length of just over 28 inches. The Hellion features fully ambidextrous controls, including a reversible case ejection system, charging handle, safety, and magazine release. The rifle employs a short-stroke, 2-position adjustable piston system that runs clean and has soft recoil, even when suppressed. A full-length Picatinny rail, M LOK handguard, adjustable stock with cheek riser, and integrated flip-up sights make it extremely versatile. It weighs 8 pounds empty. Number 4. Axor Arms Folding Gun. The Axor Arms Folding Gun is a unique 12-gauge semi-automatic shotgun designed for ease of use and mobility. The folding, gas-operated design includes a strong 7075 aluminum receiver and a synthetic stock and forend for lightness and durability. The 20-inch barrel has a 3-inch, 76mm shell capability, allowing for a variety of ammunition types. Magazine capacity can be set at 4+1 or 7+1, depending on the intended use. The shotgun has a durable anodized Cerakote or hydro-dipped finish that combines strength with aesthetics. Interchangeable mobile chokes include full, modified, and cylinder. The Axor Arms Folding Gun is a unique combination of innovation, mobility, and traditional shotgun power in a compact folded design and a versatile, fully extended configuration. Number 5. POFUSA Tombstone. The POFUSA Tombstone is a radical, contemporary interpretation of the traditional lever-action rifle designed for today's shooters. Firing 9mm Luger ammunition, it offers rapid cyclic rates and inexpensive, low-recoiling cartridges. The large short-throw lever facilitates quick reloading, and the 3.5-pound single-stage flat trigger provides a clean, well-defined break. Weighing only 5.75 pounds unloaded, the Tombstone boasts a 16.5-inch free-floating, fluted 4,150 steel barrels with a threaded muzzle and 2-port brake. It uses proprietary 10, 20, or 35-round detachable magazines, common to the POF Phoenix PCC. Magpul stocks, XS ghost ring sights, Picatinny rail segments, and contemporary safety elements round out this $1,962 lever-action rifle designed for today's shooters. Number 6. Nighthawk Tomahawk. The Nighthawk Tomahawk is a well-designed, specialized 12-gauge shotgun for serious defensive applications. At 28.5 inches overall length with an 18.5-inch barrel, the Tomahawk provides a great combination of mobility and power. With a 6+1 capacity, the Tomahawk is ready to take on high-stress environments with confidence. Its most notable aspect is the Vancomp backbore and barrel porting system, which helps to greatly reduce felt recoil and muzzle flip, making it easier to control and allowing for quicker follow-up shots. The shotgun features a Hogue over molded pistol grip and fend for a secure grip, a 4-round side saddle for rapid reloads, a front bead sight, and a big button tactical safety. The Tomahawk is finished in rugged black Cerakote. Number 7. PSAAKV. The PSAAKV is a contemporary pistol caliber carbine that combines the classic AK design with modern enhancements. Firing 9mm parabellum rounds, the carbine employs a straight blowback design with a heavy bolt for smooth function. The 1mm stamped steel receiver, coupled with a forged front trunnion and bolt carrier, provides strength. The barrel can be fitted with either a 10.5-inch pistol or 16-inch rifle barrel, both of which are constructed from nitrided 4150 steel and feature threads for suppressors/muzzle devices. One of the key benefits of the PSAAKV is its magazine compatibility, which accepts PSAU 9 mags and CZ Scorpion EVO3 magazines. Upgraded ergonomics, a railed hinge dust cover, ALGA K-trigger, and last round bolt hold open make the AKV a very functional AK modernized design. Number 8. Keltec KS7. The Keltec KS7 is a short, bullpup designed 12-gauge shotgun that is designed for ease of mobility while still packing plenty of punch. With an overall length of only 26.1 inches and a weight of 6.1 pounds when unloaded, the KS7 shotgun is easy to maneuver while still packing plenty of punch. The KS7 shotgun has a magazine capacity of 7+1 rounds when firing 2 3/4-inch shells, or 6+1 rounds when firing 3-inch shells with an 18.5-inch barrel. The GEN2 4-inch upgrade gives the KS7 shotgun faster pump action and comes with a 5-slot Picatinny rail on the bottom that can be capped for a clean look. The KS7 shotgun also has a Picatinny rail on top for optics or sights, as well as a modular forend that will accommodate different grip configurations. With a price tag of $699.99, the KS7 shotgun is a compact powerhouse with modern versatility. Number 9. BCA 8.6 BLK Pistol. The BCA 8.6 BLK pistol is a hard-hitting AR-10-based platform designed for shooters who demand maximum power in a compact package. Featuring the 8.6 blackout cartridge, the BCA 8.6 BLK pistol is compatible with DPMS Gen 1 low-profile parts and is optimized for heavy, expanding bullets with its ultra-fast 1-to-3 twist rate. The pistol comes with a 7.5-inch, 10.5-inch, or 12.5-inch barrel, made from 4 150 chrome molybdenum steel, offering a balance of durability and performance. The pistol-length gas system provides reliable function, and the Gen 2 right-side charging handle offers convenient operation. The M-Loke split handguard enables accessory attachment, and the threaded muzzle with flash hider enables customization. Compact, aggressive, and designed for a purpose, the BCA 8.6 BLK pistol packs serious stopping power in a small package. Number 10. Panzer Arms BP-12. The Panzer Arms BP-12 is a magazine-fed, semi-automatic 12-gauge bullpup shotgun that is part of the Panzer Arms Precision Tactical line. Chambered for 3-inch shells, it has a full 20-inch barrel and sports a compact 30.5-inch overall length. The BP-12 shotgun has a 7075 T6 hard aluminum upper receiver paired with a reinforced polymer lower receiver, keeping the weight low at 9 pounds without compromising on strength. Its gas regulation system is designed and developed exclusively for the bullpup design, making it more reliable and controllable when it comes to recoil. With a 5+1 capacity, short trigger reset, clean break, and oversized trigger guard, handling it in the field is easy. It comes in black, Rhodesian camo, bronze US flag Cerakote, and alpine white. Number 11. Smith & Wesson M and P12. The Smith & Wesson M and P12 is a versatile pump-action 12-gauge shotgun that is ideal for home defense and tactical applications. With a length of 27.8 inches and a 19-inch 4,140 cm steel barrel, the M and P12 shotgun offers a great combination of compactness and power. The M and P12 shotgun has dual independent magazine tubes that can hold 6 rounds of 3-inch shells or 7 rounds of 2 and 3/4-inch shells. This allows for rapid reloads and flexibility in ammunition usage. The M and P12 shotgun also comes with ergonomic M and P grips that have interchangeable palmswell inserts, ambidextrous safety, and assist buttons. Additionally, the shotgun has a top Picatinny rail and M-lock slots that are ideal for mounting optics and accessories. Other features of the M and P12 shotgun include a tactile loaded chamber indicator, push-button magazine selector, and a carry case with choke tubes. The M and P12 shotgun is priced at $1,249. Small is not weak. The smallest but most lethal guns for home defense in 2026 show that it is design and training that count the most. Do your homework, check your local regulations, and above all, practice safe storage. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share.